I saw on our reels. It was the cinnamon rolls with the whipping cream. That just looked so good to me, and I thought I'm gonna try that, but I'm gonna do something a little different. I don't have whipping cream. It's such a high fat content that I just don't buy it too often, but I'm gonna use some cinnamon roll zero sugar Coffee Mate. Even though this isn't good for you, it just feels a little bit healthier. I think this will work just fine. I'm gonna do 1 container of these cinnamon rolls. You can do 2, you can double it, whatever you wanna do. But I have got I think this is an 8x8, yes, an 8x8 baking dish. It's just me and my husband, and we really don't need all this. But I'm gonna pour this in the bottom. There's about 1/2 cup in here. That might have been a little bit more than 1/2 cup. Oh well. We are going to pop open these cinnamon rolls. And go ahead and place those in the bottom. This looked so easy. I'm just gonna make a little circle here. Now just take 1/2 stick of butter, melted, and we are going to take 1/2 cup of brown sugar, put that in with the butter. Go ahead and mix that up. You know this is gonna be good. I mean, how do you go wrong with this? Put this on top. Yum! I don't know who came up with this, but it really looks genius. This reminds me of one of those college student recipes, and sometimes they are the best. These young people, they have lots of great ideas. I should have went ahead and preheated my oven, but we're gonna bake this on 350 degrees. Okay, so while that's preheating, I wanted to show you my pictures on my refrigerator. That's my daughter when she was young. She'll probably hate me for showing you that. But I've got pictures of my grandbabies, my mama. This is my little mama in a bonnet. This is one of my nieces. This is my other daughter. She'll probably hate me for showing you that one. So cute. And we have got pictures of, here's another picture of my son when he was little. Adorable. Adorable. And this is my daddy. My daddy used to love to play with all the kids. So adorable. And that was my daughter he was playing with. And what else? This is my nephew who just graduated. I love a refrigerator that is just so decorated with love. A refrigerator decorated with love, that's what it is. And these are some of my favorite photos. Do any of you have photos on your fridge? What's on your refrigerator? I have this wonderful pen that actually a friend on social media made this for me. He is a special person. He makes me laugh, and my whole family actually, and we just fell in love with him. But he made this. Isn't this beautiful? And he's one of my viewers, so thank you so much. You know who you are. But I'm gonna get these in the oven, and I'm gonna come back and we are gonna finish these. Okay, my baby girl's awake, and I'm gonna try to get these out of the oven before she runs over here. Okay, these look amazing. So we're gonna let these cool off, and then I'm gonna add some icing. She's so cute. Now I'm gonna put the frosting on it. My little angel face left for the day, and I've been outside working, so these have definitely cooled off. But I'm going to try one of these, and I'm gonna let you know what this tastes like. I keep seeing this everywhere. I think it's went viral, the cinnamon rolls like this. So. Oh my, it sure does look good. Look at that. So appearance is good. Let's see what they taste like. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Kudos to whoever came up with this. It is so good.